I'ma always make me wonder how you never get me feeling under flawless from head to toe. You never hit a single wrong, no. 확신 필요해, girl I got you. 미래 그릴 때 always gonna include you. You deserve the best, I'ma be true. Put my hand on my chest like you one of a kind.
Oh my
God. This is what it looks like
when you set something on the ground. There's so much hair.
It's so nasty.
This Airbnb looks real nice, but it has so much long black dog hair. I can't even explain to you. Did you have dog hair in your mouth last night?
Yes.
I had it in my eyes, in my mouth. I'm gonna think twice before staying at an Airbnb that allows pets.
Let's go get some breakfast.
Tropical storm Nicole just passed over Palm Beach, Florida a day ago, and so we're gonna drive to the coast right now and see what the beach looks like. Next Thursday. Okay.
The TV's getting delivered right now while I'm actually in Miami.
Okay, good. We found a self-service wine tasting room. Check this out.
What's the problem?
I asked you to lace my shoe. You literally have one job when you lace a shoe. You messed this up. Big time.
Do you want to go to the farmer's market?
Yes, let's go.
Got chemistry, same energy. I can see us make history. 빙빙 돌아가듯이 You a goddess like Venus, I be orbiting. And I promise I ain't tryna play games with ya, girl. Honest, you another side character. Every day after day, I tryna go out my way, 'cause I wanna secure you. Oh, I wanna see you every night after night. Can we forget about time? 'Cause I wanna adore you. Oh,
Man, I'm ready to go home. We've been in Florida for 3 weeks. I'm ready to get back to my life, you know? Sometimes I worry about stuff that doesn't really matter in the end. This is like very general, but sometimes I worry about stuff and that thing never ends up happening, and it's like something else that happens. Or it's actually better than I could have imagined. So I'm having one of those moments right now, but it's beautiful. I got a glass of wine. Surprise, surprise. I'm sitting out in this beautiful backyard. Sunset. We're about to go to dinner.
We're right here. Look at this. From the storm, but look at this view. Look at this scenery.
This should be fun. We are 15 minutes late for our parking meter.
We just had lunch.
We just had lunch and we were like, I Googled it. I'm like, how much is a parking ticket in Florida? It said $30. I'm like, hey, that's worth it. Plus they're having an event out here. Look how crowded it is. There would be nowhere else to park. So we just left the car there and we're about to see if we got a parking ticket.
Or not.
Not looking good. A lot of cops out here. Moment of truth. Okay, we got lucky today. We're like 20 minutes past our time, so maybe we should go buy a lottery ticket.
Come on.
Hi, baby.
Come on.